Fox News' Dave Spencer is here to explain how her criminal conviction could stand in her way. Dave.
Taryn, Monica Conyers is hoping for your vote for Wayne County Commissioner, but just having her name on the ballot is challenging a law that was enacted while she was serving time in prison for bribery. Detroiters are likely familiar with the name Monica Conyers, the wife of the late long-serving U.S. Representative John Conyers. Monica had her own stint in politics. She was a member of the Detroit City Council back in 2009 when she was convicted of using her political clout to get paid in exchange for awarding contracts, a crime for which she was sentenced to serve 37 months. Now it appears she wants a seat as a Wayne County Commissioner.
I was surprised that she filed to run. And I think, you know what, somebody needs to challenge the law. I think it's unconstitutional.
The state law that Adolph Mongo is referring to basically says anyone who holds an elected position and is then convicted of a felony for abusing the public's trust, such as bribery, shall not be elected again for a period of at least 20 years.
The House, the Senate, and then the people who voted for this amendment have all spoken on it. And I suppose if Ms. Conyers has submitted her intention to run for Wayne County Executive, then perhaps her legal team has a creative legal argument.
One of the arguments could be
she pleaded guilty before this law even was enacted.
Another familiar name around this time period, Sam Riddle, is also running for office. In 2010, Riddle was also convicted of bribery and sentenced to 37 months. But he was not an elected official at the time, and he has filed to run in a congressional race.
The Michigan Constitution wouldn't apply in that respect, and so that would be a different kind of legal challenge.
They paid the price. They served whatever time they had to serve, and they've been punished. They should have a right to run.
It's possible Conyers could be in more legal trouble if it's determined that she submitted her name as a candidate knowing full well she was not allowed to claim that seat even if she wins.
That may become an issue at some point if there isn't a very good legal argument that justifies really a brazen move here.
Of course, to win, she'd have to beat the current county executive, that being Warren Evans, and a number of other candidates. The deadline to file to run in the August primary was last Friday.
Well, it appears that there's going to be some issue with this. And if she's violating the law, though, at this point, why doesn't the clerk throw it out?
Yeah, it's out of the clerk's authority. Basically, when you sign your name to that affidavit, you are saying that you are legally meeting all the requirements, and therefore it's out of the clerk's hands and has to be up to a judge. If they find out that she is indeed lying, then she could be in more legal trouble.
It seems like it's going to take some time to work its way through the system.
To unravel, yeah.
Well,
that's right.
and certainly I think when you think about this, if they're getting their name out there right now, that's one thing that they're doing very well at. I mean, for Sam Riddle in this crowded field to put his name out in the field, hey, you know, people are talking about him.
Yeah,
First step.
And if nothing else, they're drawing attention to this, so maybe if it doesn't get overturned this time, they could have a better shot next time. Who knows?
We'll see, Dave. Thanks.
Thanks, Dave.